Yeah.
Good morning, Jordan High School. Today, me and my class are going to take you through some disco moves. We're going to have 5 disco moves for you. I want you to get up and practice with me, and then we're going to put it all together at the end. The first move is called the sprinkler. So for the sprinkler, you got to put one arm up like this and the other arm extended out. And you're going to slowly bring your arms in together, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to the middle, you're going to take your right arm, go and go out with both arms. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the sprinkler. The next dance I'm going to show you guys is called the flight attendant. So the first move is we're going to point to the exits in front and on the side. Then we're going to do a gas mask. Then we're going to put on our seatbelt. We know, very important to put on your seatbelt on an airplane. Okay, let's try it again. Exits, gas, oxygen mask, seatbelt. Exits, oxygen mask, seatbelt. Exits, oxygen mask, seatbelts. You got it. The next one is called the pony ride. So you just want to put one arm out and one arm in back, or you can put one arm up in the air and just like you're riding a pony. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Oh, you know that.
Yeehaw! Okay, the next one, and all you John Cena fans will love this, it's called the hand stroke. So all you gotta do is take your elbows together, put your fingers in front, and just move them back like a strobe. It's a strobe. You can't see. It's like a strobe. The last move is called fancy feet. So put your feet together. You're basically gonna just rotate right to left. One foot being on the ball of your foot, and the other foot on your heel. So right, left, just up on your toe, up on your heel. Up on your toe, up on your heel. When you get comfortable with that, then you want to start pointing with your fingers. Maybe put a flight attendant move in there. How would you do that?
Can I do ready, second, action?
Ready?
Ready, set, action. Just look at me. Hold on. Just look at me.
I'll try.
No, what are you doing? Wait.
I can't do that.
Okay, move up.
No, just keep going, just keep going.
Hey, keep going.
He's the greatest dancer. Oh, wow. He's the greatest dancer.
Okay. My hair looks good?
Yes.
No frizzes? Okay.
He's the greatest dancer.